Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have checked out the Peppermint Welcome app and the Peppermint Hub. So now in this video we are going to check out the XFCE desktop of Peppermint OS Devuan edition. So let us start. So we have checked out the complete functionality of this Welcome app and the Peppermint Hub. So we are not going to check that. What was pending is the Peppermint docs. So let us check out the Peppermint docs. So it is nothing but the Peppermint online documentation. So if you require any help while using the Peppermint OS, you can check out the Codeberg page or the Codeberg web page of Peppermint OS, where everything is given in detail about the Peppermint OS. You can see here the Peppermint OS pipeline, the Peppermint OS versioning, how the versioning is done, how to contribute to the project, how to contribute to the Peppermint docs, tools and the custom features used to create the Peppermint OS and using the Peppermint OS. So you can use all these tools that we have seen in the last video to ease the usage and maintenance of the Peppermint OS. So everything is given here. What is Kumo? So for Kumo we will make another video, separate video. So Kumo is nothing but a tool that is used to manage site specific web browsing. So what is this, how to use this, we will feature in another separate video. So suggested packages we have seen how to use the Nala. So Nala is nothing but a wrapper on the top of the APT package manager. So it adds some functionality to the APT manager of the Debian base that is used in the Peppermint OS. So Peppermint OS uses the same APT package manager that is used in Debian, but it also has Nala. So Nala adds some functionality to the APT package manager. So this also we have seen. So we will not go into details. You can check it out. Yes. So TTK creator theme editor, that maybe we will check it out in another video. So this is the theme editor. So we can check this out in some separate video. It will be a long video because this is a lot of functionalities there to create the theme and use that theme in the Peppermint OS. And these are some how-tos, how to change the Peppermint OS sources list. So Peppermint OS also uses the sources list as it is used in Debian. So how to edit the Peppermint OS sources list, how to make the tkinter theme changes. So this two TTK creator theme editor and the tkinter theme changes we will cover in separate video. Now we will check out the build logs. So build logs are nothing but the logs generated while building a system or while creating a ISO. So this is all the build logs. So whenever ISO is created, some auto logs are created by the ISO application. So those logs are always posted. So they are shortened and they are posted so the users can know what changes have been done to the latest release of the ISO or latest release of the build. So every build has a build log. So now we will come back to the desktop. So you can see this is the application menu. Now let us check out the applications section wise. So in accessories you have got the application finder, bulk rename, clipboard manager, disk, menu editor, screenshot application, task manager. So you can see in the task manager Memory usage is just 764.5 MB. But this is one of the lighter XFCE desktops in different Linux distributions. Number of processes running to 209. CPU usage is less than 5%, so it is very light, and you can use Peppermint OS on the older systems also. Older, I mean, even 4-5-year-old systems, even maybe even 8-year-old systems also, I think this Peppermint OS should work. Then you have got the X Archiver. Thunar File Manager is there. Let us check out the Thunar File Manager, the version of Thunar File Manager. So version is 4.18.4. So it is following the Debian releases. So latest XFCE desktop is available here also. Flying Dog, Vim, Mousepad, Light, DM, GTK greeter settings is available in accessories. In graphics, only two applications are there. One is Image Magic and the other is a document scanner. So you can use this document scanner application to connect with your scanner that is connected with your system using a USB port, and you can scan the documents using this application, and you can digitize, make the scan, save the scan as a PDF file or as a JPG or the PNG image. In internet section, you have got the Falcon Qt based web browser, so that will open in minute. And you have got the Kumo SSB. So for the Kumo SSB launcher, we will make a separate video, because what happens is otherwise the one video we try to cover everything, the video will be around one hour or more, or then people get bored. So here this is the Falcon web browser. Let us check out the version of Falcon. So I am not conversant with Falcon. I never used it, but so I won't be able to tell you whether this is the latest version or the older version. But whatever I see, I will tell you that application version is 22.12.1 and the Qt web engine version is 5.15.12. So this is how the web browser, Falcon web browser is available, and it uses the DuckDuckGo search for searching based on the user input. So whatever you try to search, it will use the DuckDuckGo search engine to give you the search results. Then in multimedia, only the pulse audio volume control is there. There is no audio or media application. In Office, you see the Active document viewer that we installed earlier, that is only available. There is no Office suite. You can install the Office suite of your choice from the repos available. So the Peppermint and Debian repos are available. You can use those to install the Office suite of your choice, or you can also install Office suite that is not available in the repos by directly downloading the .deb files and installing it in Peppermint. So I think you can be able to use the GDB installer. So you have to use the terminal to install the GDB installer, and then you have to download the .deb file of any Office suite of your choice, and then install that .deb file of the Office suite using the GDB installer. In the settings, the About Me section is there, accessibility, advanced network configuration, appearance section, clipboard manager, settings, color profiles, default applications, desktop, display, file manager, firewall configuration. So the firewall configuration is very simple. It is GUFW firewall. You have to just move this slider and the firewall is active, and it will remain active. Whenever you will restart, the firewall will start again. It's very simple firewall. You have to do nothing. The default settings are good for most of the users. The panel settings are there. Power manager, print settings, removable drives and media, keyboard, menu editor, touch and mousepad settings, workspace settings, window manager tweaks. Window manager is there. Then you have got XFCE terminal settings, light DM greeter settings, panel profiles. So you can create different panels configurations, and then You can save those panel configurations as a panel profile, and then you can change between the panel profile. So for different kinds of work, so for example, if you're doing some creative work, you can have a panel profile with the creative applications uh, having the shortcuts on that panel, and later on when you go back to the general mode, you can change the panel profile to the general panel profile, where you only have some minimum applications added as a shortcut on the panel. So like that, you can use the panel profiles to enhance the user we can say experience. The Synaptic Package Manager is there, settings editor, users and group, time and date, welcome to Peppermint that we have seen, XFCE settings is there. So now what we will do is we will go to the desktop. Let us check out the desktop. So here you can see only the one wallpaper is there, but you can of course use wallpaper manager like Variety. So you install Variety, and then you can have wallpapers from different well-known services like Bing, NASA. So that will add more zing to your desktop. So right now only one wallpaper is there from the Peppermint developers, no other wallpaper is there, but you can install some wallpaper service like Variety. Let us check out the appearance section. So in appearance section, you can see lot of style are available. So the Marvata Peppermint is the default style. You can check to Marvata Debian. Let us see what happens. So this Debian pink that is available in the Debian logo is applied. You can see here there is slight change. You can see the accent, pink accent is there. Then Marvata Manjaro is there. So it will add the green accent to the system. So all the system windows, the green accent will come. Then you have got the dark Manjaro also. So this will add the dark Manjaro theme and accents to the system folders and windows. So it is very light but looks very good. You can see here the dark Debian is also available here. So few styles are available. In icons, you can see here. So what we will do is let us go back to the Marvata Peppermint, and now here we will now change the different icons. So Tela circle red is the default. We can go with the Tela circle dark. So only very light difference will be there. You will not feel that much difference, but it is available. You can see here the color has changed from red to blue for the file manager icon. So here everywhere there was red, now it is blue. And this circle blue is there. Earlier it was Tela circle blue dark. Now it is lighter color blue. And you can have only Tela circle also. There's subtle changes are there, not a very appreciable change, but it is there. You can go with the green icons also. So I think this is enough, good enough to start with. Once you are comfortable with the system, you can add more styles and icons to the system. So that's it. And I think rest color profiles, let us check out. So the no profiles are there available by default. You can add some more profiles. Anything else is there? So that's it. I think it is a very light system. Not many applications are there. It is just little more than bare bones, and you can customize the Peppermint OS to your liking. Now let us check out gparted once, and then we will stop the video. You can see it here. So usage is 10.86 GB. So it is not that light. It is a middleweight system. So anything above 9 or 10 GB, it's heavy. So it is on the higher side of the middleweight system. So exactly it is not lighter, but for working for the functionality, it is light. I don't see any lags even in the virtual machine. There is no misbehavior from the system like applications or crashing or any other thing. Even memory management is very good. I don't find any issues as such in the virtual machine. So definitely when you install it on the bare metal, you are going to have even lesser issues, and it will be more peppier on your bare metal than what is seen here in the virtual machine. You can see here the root file system with the XFS file system. This is the XFS root file system and the MS-DOS style of partitioning. So it is very clean, every neat and clean, everything is working perfectly. There are no issues. So with this, we will stop the video here. In the next video, we are going to check out the other desktops of Peppermint OS, other versions of the Peppermint OS. So see you there. Bye bye.